This is Skoda windshield washer cap, and as you can see, this is the part number and that it's designed for Skoda, but I'm going to try to fit it into Volkswagen Golf Mark 7, as this should fit any Volkswagen, Audi, Seat or Skoda car that was made in the last, I don't know, 20 years. And we are done. The cool thing is that the lid is now a small funnel, so when you're filling up on your washing fluid, it's easier to do it, and there's less spill all around this this cup. And when you are done, just do it like this, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial. In the description below you can find part number if you want to order one. This is like $4 or $5, and subscribe for future videos, and see you soon.